County in northeastern Indiana, northern Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern Peril, County, Indiana, until 12:30 Eastern Daylight Time. 11:57 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Houston or near Windward Lake, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Intent: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations include Windward Lake, Tri-Lake, Huntsville, Houston, Longwill, Lander Lake, Marine Center, Marion, Wilmot, Lawrence, Blue Lake, Big Lake, Big Lake, Blue Lake, Ormond, World Lake, Spare Lake, and Lake. The neighborhood for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. You can spot a tornado grow at one side of the basement or small room or security structure. For your safety, move to a room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Peril, Nova, and Willow. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. The wind blows around 50 west winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts. While severe weather may not be imminent, awareness should remain open for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. All hazards radio, WSJ-1 Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We interrupt our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and a few thunderstorms will be found over the region today. Mostly sunny in the morning, but becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the low. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Wright County in central Indiana, Lawrence County in central Indiana, southern Wells County in northeastern Indiana, southwestern Adams County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern County in central Indiana, until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from nearby New to Alexandria, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Intent: damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in include Marion, Hartford City, Burn, Upland, Fairmount, Delta, Montpelier, Bellsboro, Danville, Matthews, Raleigh, Calvert, Shamrock Lake, New Road, Keystone, Domestic, Valdez, Dillon, and Petroleum. This includes Interstate 61 in Indiana between mile markers 252 and 266. For your protection, move to a interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central, northeastern, and east central Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following Eastern Daylight Time. 12:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Tobia, or 9 miles southwest of Kendallville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs. Locations affected include Kendallville, Villa, Albion, Waterloo, Rome City, Ashland, Ocean, Glenna, Green Center, Lisbon, Fairfield Center, Marion, and Sedan. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 332 and 338. Remain alert for possible tornadoes. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, develop one to the basement or small central room without strict operators. For your traffic, you know to a room on the lowest floor of a building. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Indiana, Yukon, Renewal. Close to the watch area. While severe weather remain alert for rapidly changing weather. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wells County in northeastern Indiana, southern County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern County in east central Indiana, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Peril, or 9 miles southwest of Peril, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Intense hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roads, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peril, Geneva, Monroe, Veracruz, Windrose, Connecticut, New Colligan, Ceylon, Reedsburg, Pleasant Hills, and Petroleum. For your protection, monitor the interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern and east central Indiana and west central Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Indiana, Adams, and Wells. Highs in the 50s. Thunderstorm warning for central Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern DeKalb County in northeastern Indiana, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Waterloo, or 9 miles northeast of Kendallville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Norway, Fremont, Fairfield Center, Pleasant Lake, Golden Lake, Salem Center, Palmer, Burley, Long Lake, Metz, and Stephenville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 339 and 352. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 147 and 156. Interstate 80 in Ohio near mile marker 0. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana and northwestern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: in Indiana, Yukon, and Bend. Thursday.
People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Redwood, Decatur, Convoy, Monroe, Ohio City, Middlebury, Military, Glen, Glenmore, Peterson, Cabot, Dole, Appalachia, River, Chum, and Pleasant Hills. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Allen, Otway, Lance, Yukon, Martin, Logan, Mercer, Albany, Putnam, Shelby, Fanwood, and Wagner, and the waters of Lake Erie from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, even at close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and
thunderstorm warning for northeastern Shelby County and northeastern Indiana, southeastern Shelby County and northeastern Indiana until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Sophia thunderstorm was located near Grable, or 10 miles southeast of Dallas, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Wayne, Undertown, Grable, St. Joe, Leo, Chicago, Concord, Newville, Cuba, St. Joe, Harlan, and Cicero in DeKalb County. This includes the following highways: Interstate 469 between mile markers 26 and 30. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 314 and 324. The main alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a static structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Indiana and northwestern and west central Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Indiana, Peril, and DeKalb. Northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: on all sides. Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Albany County, Mercer County, at 2:15 p.m. At 1:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fort Recovery, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Salina, St. Mary's, Coldwater, St. Henry, Fort Recovery, Wabash, Mendon, Montezuma, Tama, Neptune, State Route 116 and State Route 197, Carthagena, and Oak Head. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. This afternoon, partly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Breezy with highs in the mid-70s. Southwest winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight.
weekend, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 9 miles on the Palm to near Dallas to 6 miles southwest of Spencerville in Allen County, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lima, Delaware, Ottawa, Spencerville, Columbus Grove, Litzik, Alida, Colorado, Continental, Allgate, Glenmore, Peril, Spencerville, and Allen County, Middle Point, Peril, Fort Jennings, Groversville, Japan, Scott, and Melrose. Thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2 p.m. for western Vancouver County. At 1:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Collinwood and Maple City to Waterford, northeast of 50 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations potentially include Network and non-oil Ohio City, Glenmore, a tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Ohio: Allen, Always, Defiance, Chincon, Peril, Logan, Mercer, Albany, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Northwestern Logan County, Southern Williams County, Louisiana. At 1:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Exeter and Williams County to near Hill, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour with gusts. Source radar indicated. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Defiance, Triumph, Hicksville, Exeter, Stryker, Exeter, Williams County, Farmer, Peril, Maine, Depot, Eventport, Williams Center, Number, Event, and Mine Center. National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. December marked the county with showers likely against thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe, rainy but not on the mid-70s. Southwest winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, mostly clear. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows around 50. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Southeastern County, Allen County, Ohio, at 2:45 p.m. At 2:21 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Columbus Grove to near Clydersville to Hopkins, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source radar indicated. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lima, London, Fort Shawnee, Alida, Hydra, Peril, Peril, Beaverdam, Yoder, Westminster, Hume, Slagtown, Roscoe, Rockport, and Kemp. This includes Interstate 75 between mile markers 119 and 141. For this afternoon, tonight, scattered thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon. Some of these thunderstorms may be severe. Primary threats include strong damaging winds and large hail. But a tornado or two cannot be ruled out. Outside of the thunderstorms, freezing southwest will risk of up to 40 miles an hour at times this afternoon. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Areas across the Texas coast will be possible both Saturday night and Sunday night. Further activation may be needed this afternoon. Now, here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. This afternoon, partly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Breezy with highs in the mid-70s. Southwest winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of wind 70%. Tonight, mostly clear. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows around 50. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 70s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming Western Hardin County is at 3:50 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wapakoneta, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wapakoneta, Kenton, Ada, Fort Shawnee, Cliversville, New Knoxville, Aldrich, Waynesfield, Moulton, Blanchard, Roundup, McGuffey, Buckland, Unionpolis, High Bird, Silver Creek, Jumbo, Huntersville, St. John's, and Walton. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 107 and 118. Silver Creek, Jumbo, Huntersville, St. John's, and Walton. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 107 thunderstorm warning for Wood County, Hancock County, southwestern Lucas County at 3:30 p.m. At 2:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near McClure to near LIL, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Heavywell, Finday, Bowling Green, Australia, Lefton, Swanson, Harrisburg, Gloucester, Waterville, Northwood, White House, North Baltimore, Holland, Macomb, Weston, Arlington, Arcadia, Lawson, Van Root, and Van Buren. Counties in northwestern Ohio, southwestern Lucas County in northwestern Ohio until 3:30 p.m. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. This afternoon, partly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Breezy with highs in the mid-70s. Southwest winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, mostly clear. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows around 50. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 70s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, becoming southwest 5 to 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows around 50. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southwest 10 to 15 miles an hour after midnight. northeastern York County, northern Miami County, at 3:15 p.m. At 2:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ansonia, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sydney, Piqua, Versailles, Newport, Enna, Fort Loramie, Jackson Center, Ansonia, Hardin, Webster, Russia, Port Jefferson, Washington, Polo, New Bern, Dark County Airport, State Route 47 at U.S. Route 127, Maplewood, Willow Dell, and Pemberton. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 84 and 100. Now, the severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ohio County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm is expected to then move out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. The tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for Western Ohio. The severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. for Western Hardin County. At 2:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm is located in thunderstorm with located at 50 miles an hour, moving north at 65 miles an hour, wind gusts and quarter-size hail, miles per hour. Source, radar indicated hail. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to power lines. Locations affected include Kenwood, Peril, Ormetry, Rockford, Silver Creek, Northward, Warrenville, Huntersville, Walton, Ottawa, 195, State Route 235, Harbor View, Reno, tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for York County. In Ohio, on the lowest floor of the roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect in Ohio 7 p.m. for the following counties. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued from Harbors, Ukraine, like the following counties: Logan, Mercer, Lupoli, Ottawa, and Wood, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte, and the waters of Lake Erie from the islands to Vermilion, Ohio. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, western Champaign County, Miami County, at 4 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Covington, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Troy, Piqua, Covington, St. Paris, Bradford, Pleasant Hill, Christiansburg, Fletcher, Castown, Washington, Thackeray, Rosewood, Polo, Carysville, Malou, Pottsville, Millerstown, Kaiser Lake State Park, Circle Hill, and Farrington. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 73 and 87. Thunderstorm warning for Peril County, Wyandotte County, Western Crawford County, at 4:15 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenton, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Bucyrus, Upper Sandusky, Forest, Roanoke, Laurel, Chatfield, Marcells, Benton, Nevada, Caledonia, New Bloomington, Hofstra, Kirby, and Osceola. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a pier is a special Southeastern Martin County, at 3:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenton, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kenton, Mount Victory, Ridgeway, Kepler, Grant, Silver Creek, Metzer, Big Springs, and Piper. Minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms this evening, and mostly clear after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows around 50. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour, diminishing to around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Thursday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the
Your thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Harding, Ohio. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Marnu, or 11 miles southeast of Kenton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, Prospect, Ladue, Morrill, Waldo, Caledonia, New Bloomington, Greencamp, and State Route 229 at bus route 23. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for North Central Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Marion, Ohio. This is no weather.
Oh, now we get our first one.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Marion County, western Morrow County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ladue, or 8 miles west of Marion, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Marion around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cardiff around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mount Juliet around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Nigeria, Edison, State Route 229 at bus route 23, Greencamp, New Bloomington, and Caledonia. The area drying out through Thursday afternoon before the next system moves into the Ohio Valley. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Milton County, northwestern Delaware County, northern Union County, Ohio, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Mansfield, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Delaware, Richwood, Ashley, West Mansfield, Radnor, Magnetic Springs, Raymond, Delaware State Park, Vialia, Broadway, Middleburg, Warrensburg, Ferrisburg, Somersville, Leonardsburg, Kilmore, Essex, State Route 257 at US Route 36, East Liberty, and Pottersburg. Listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, WXJ93, Lima, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service area, Broadway, Middleburg, Warrensburg, Peril, Somersville, Leonardsburg, Kilmore, and area, State Route 257 at US Route 36, Liberty, and Pottersburg. Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms this evening, and mostly clear after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe. Lows around 50. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour, diminishing to around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming southwest in the afternoon. Thursday night, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. 90%. Friday, mostly cloudy with showers likely in the morning and partly cloudy in the afternoon. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour for the following counties: 60 Ohio. Friday night, weather range. Lows in the lower 40s.
Sounds like something stolen.
10 to 15 miles an hour. 17 miles an hour. Tornado watch number 1, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s.
I know this is way too long than it needs to be,
partly
but
cloudy. Patchy frost after midnight. Weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Richmond County, Crawford County, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Seaside Ridge, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Seaside Ridge, Gilligan, Chelsea, Ontario, Red Line, Plymouth, New Washington, Chatfield, Cairo, North Robinson, and Sulphur Springs. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room and a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northwestern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford and Richmond. Partly cloudy. Patchy frost at midnight. Lows in the mid. Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Marion, and Morrow. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for eastern Marion County, Morrow County, southeastern Crawford County until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And for 17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Mount Gilead, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mount Gilead around 4:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornado thunderstorm include Nigeria, Edison, Caledonia, and Fulton. Here at 4 p.m. weather conditions at the line of the Airport. The message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, eastern Marion County, Ashland County, Morrow County, southeastern Crawford County, Knox County, western Holmes County, and northeastern Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The guy that I saw that was the storm spotter, that was right outside of, I was in between like Champaign and Champaign and Logan. So I was in like Zanesfield area. Urbana, Zanesfield, right around in that area.
What is this thing doing?